In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could stop certain people from viewing your WhatsApp status. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But begin by opening up WhatsApp and actually tapping updates down in the bottom left. From here, you're going to have the option to actually add a status. So select add a status and take a quick snap for a picture or video, or you can just add your text in there. It doesn't really matter that much. For example, I'll do something stupid like that. At the very bottom, you're going to see an option for status and contacts. Here you're going to see three options if you select it. You're going to see my contacts, which is going to be everyone can see, my contacts accept, which is going to block specific people, or only share with, which is going to choose exactly who you want to see. Choose my contacts accept and then select edit and choose whoever you don't want to see your thing, which is going to block them from your status. Finally, tap done in the top right, and that's it. Those people won't be able to see your status anymore when you upload this picture. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.